day, I was so bored, and the tree was sad. One day, the boy came back, and he said to the tree,
the tree said, "Come, boy.
Come, boy. Climb up my shelf and swing from the present and eat apples and be happy. I'm too bad to climb trees." The boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad.
And
one day, the boy came back.
And the tree,
We're happy.
and she said, "Come, boy."
This one?
No, that one.
This one?
Yeah. And then she said, "Come, boy. Climb up
My trunk.
and."
Swing for my blessings and eat apples and be happy.
And the boy said,
I'm too busy to climb trees.
"I want to build a house to keep me warm.
Do you have a house?
I want a wife and children."
Do you have a house?
And the tree said, "The forest is my house."
But I have no house.
But I have no house, that's right. You can cut off my branches and build a house.
He cut us. He was happy.
But the boy stayed away for a long time.
Now she was sad.
And when he came back,
she was happy.
and she said, "Come, boy,
Come,
come and
boy.
play."
Come and play. Like my circus, my dresses. I will be happy. I'm too old and sad. Swing.
He said, "Come down." She said, "I'm too old to play," said the boy. "I want a boat that will take me far from here. Can you give me a boat?"
I have no boat.
"I have no. Cut down my trunk so you can build a boat. Then you can sail away." And the boy was happy. So the boy cut down the trunk.
Boat?
Look right here. He's gonna make a boat, and made a boat and sailed away.
And she was happy, but not really. And the boy came back, and she was happy.
He sat on the trunk, on the stump.
An old stump.
And the tree was happy. The end.
What book is that, Lulu?
The Giving Tree.
Who gave that book to you? Lola Ludi by Punk Ted? Lolo Ted. You say thank you, Lola Ludi and Lolo Ted.